Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya. Guys, I continue to unpack on Senzomiwa today, the proceedings. Ujudge Rata, guys, like uyathanda ukuvumela a crap to be admitted in that court. Uyibona into lento leyo ayikho right. Like, why would you want to say a video ga 35 seconds is admissible? Engana, next. That has no value. Nothing whatsoever. And then if abantu bese bem-accuse ukuthi ubias kube sengathi bayamsukela njengoba ne-Sunday World kuthiwa imdrekile yathi uyimurhu. Cabanga guys, kesamurhu J. Imagine. Bathi nje lento yakhe ukuhlezi uncwasa ngobuhlanga. Angifuni ukusebenzisa igama lesingisi. Uhlezi uncwasa ngobuhlanga ngoba oqala uYouTube awumazi angithi ukuthi uzokwenza kanjani la. So aloku uncwasa ngobuhlanga lobe likhuluma indaba abantu abamnyama that. You understand? So abakamxoleli kuthiwa futhi usazovela eParliament. They out of the hook basically. They just like no, kusafanele vele lawyer azokasichazela kahle ukuthi wayethini. Garam remarks that he was making abantu abamnyama. He must tell us what that doesn't mean. Nayi and njengamanje usena into embi ke yokuthi alibele I know mina ngifuni khona kuzothi uJudge Ratha wathi. I mean guys, usemsebenzini, just say what you need to say in court. Angithi this is your job. It's not our job. Just stop nje being biased. Loku busy entertainment and state usfrustrate. It's just so frustrating lento kaJudge Ratha. Look at busy entertainment nobaloyi into zakhe ingekho that never works. Indaba yale video mase befaka no Mr Bailey wabantu ongangena indawo Nkosi yami othi mina ngangise China ngizaze ngenze affidavit angeni nowhere. And i-reason yale video le kaLongo ethwala ukuthi sibonise ukuthi uLongo ethwala was in limping like uMngomezulu said ukuthi lo muntu lo wathungwa ebusuku ngazo lezo 26 zika October 2014. So nge-27 ke nithwa eLimpaphi on a 35 seconds video ke fanele sibone uLongo ke engalimpi, not limping on that video walk. Like honestly guys, you cannot be serious right now. Kufike ukuthi wena ufike nevideo ka 35 seconds bathi wena futhi utestify about it. Guys, asukini into dlalile ngathi hey, and I promise you abona uJudge Ratha yami entertainer, he's in it together with him. Bayazazi bona ukuthi baholaphi. Mina ngikathele yibona actually. Honestly uRatha ngempela to make that decision ukuthi this evidence is admissible. uRatha bakwethu like akusaziwana ukuthi kwenziweni ngaye. And bazamile ngisho unqumala umtshelile noRamusipele amtshela ukuthi you know what you're doing is not right. This is irrelevant. And it's not the first time, you understand? The state is always doing that. All the time. Ukuthi balesi information oyibonayo ukuthi how is it even helping the courts guys? Ivela ubathatha baloyana labantu. And he keeps on bringing people. And my line every time is that these people were not in the house. Sinasifuna abantu ababesendlini guys. I wonder how we are pushing now and how Umnis is like on our late advocate Thulani Mngomezulu's, should I say, steps, mhlambi. May his soul rest in eternal peace. Ngiyayithanda leyo nto leyo ukuthi bathi kade seMngomezulu akezwe lonke. Futhi wayengeza next Mngomezulu. He didn't even sugarcoat it. Naye futhi wamstop uRatha so that awukahle. Like how we stopped Umnisi today. But no, it's speculations. Asikhuluma nge-revolve, right? Naye akasabi yazi Umnisi guys. A hogwash of a video that was brought by Gininda in. Yeah, futhi abona uRatha, I am telling you, mangithi is in it. Uyazazi yena kanjani. Because honestly, guys, like okay, kusho balo at the time. I said, I was explaining like who's that walking in a cap and some jeans or something like that. Uthwale indaba longo thalangazi yena azitshela lokho ukuthi uyena. That's all we wanting. What is he consulting for at the DPP? In Pretoria with Ubaloyi Nokininda. Why ungathi no, it's because ubaba wakhe ngikhokhela. Like honestly guys, what? Ufuna ne DPP prosecutors and them instead of coming to court. Hayi. Uyangibhora lento serious. Umnisi is like sifuna ukwazi ukuthi is it a provisional video or uyabo umuntu akacacisi. Specify. Ungazodlala ngathi. I'm listening to Gininda as he is speaking indaba yokuthi okay uLongo ke lokuthu uyena owokhaya mara ukubuza ubone guys, like honestly lo munye bese kuthuza ndi ukwazi zasazwa nini le video vele eyani umthetho wayo I'm listening to him, okay, Ukeninda. He has no conscience. This guy, unembeza, akakazi ukuthi yini leyo nto la muntu. Wafa ngaphakathi. He's just nje living. You know those people who are walking like robots, but they actually done. Abasana kusekho lutho. Abezwa abana next. They may was lost their son, guys, who was working for them here in Johannesburg. You don't care about that. Right? You must make up stories. Some like phela ingane kwana of a story le. Hayi ngeke. You know ukuthi uMakaleni is a make believe ne akekho. Story naye ingane kwana le movie le ingapheli ka Brigadier Ginini then the nxasi story. Oh, that one irritates me to the core because I'm just like one of them is deceased. Like you never get anything from Brigadier Ginini. But it's actually to investigate. I've been investigating this case. I'm actually an investigator. Oh, investigator in bra. There's nothing there that you've done. You know nothing about this case. Actually, you know nothing about the people who are inside the Khumalo house. In case I know I saw Ulongo at DPP. Oh, no longer at DPP, guys. When you can't even give us 375 of the people that were in the house, you can't even come to court. Hey, I will dlaliwe ngathi la. Hey, sake sahlalela amanga. Oh my gosh, day in day out. Yeah, uBrigadier Bongani Ginini ndeyangamhlanyisi umnisi. And umnisi, guys, I did say good. He was actually calm now. You mustn't start to say stuff about him ne while he's sitting there ngoba kalona idlozi. Hey, bangamhlanyisi. Hey guys, umnisi akadlalelwa like that, eh? Khona manje and yakhumula uStian Kampo futhi there were stories about when he started with SAPS and then wabuye uqhamuka futhi izitori zokuthi ngathi umuntu osowa retire but she's still young. And then we just like, oh, what's going on there? Ekhuluma nangezinja ukuthi he was working in a dog unit and then intengeko. This is the same lady, right? And then now umnisi is like, hey Boputi, can you just stop it right there? Why are you saying stuff about me when I'm sitting here? Brigadier Ginini said, Angas, you said something about identity and who accused number 2. I've never spoken about accused number 2. Ukhuluma Endurazo besefuna ukuhlangahlanganisa umnisi was like, can you just give me a chance to speak here? Now ungalibeli ungivala because always umela labantu wena. And advocate Charles Minister kasanendaba. Wathi uratha ena ubestekeni ke kusho ukuthi ngimaye mention accused number 2 and uyamtshela umnisi ukuthi no mina when I was speaking to Brigadier Ginini about that identity ile ama dreadlocks angithi azi identity ukuthi wena ama dreadlocks accused number 3 athi mina ngikhuluma accused number 3 not 2 umuntu nje ngicela please angenzele ifavor angangisukeli abese uratha so mistaken ke yakithi uratha ufuna ukudlula kuyona uthi sorry ke mistaken athi no I don't know if you mistaken or is it intentional like I wouldn't care, you know. Yakhe into ayijustify ngokuthi no mina vele as cross examined by all of them but ngawo wonke ama accused. I mean it didn't even make sense the thing ngoba umnisi akutshela kahle ukuthi ngicela ukuthi ungangihlanganisa into za accused number 2. I will never ask you about accused number 2 ukhuluma ngani. So ufeel ukuthi all of them would ask about each accused even though they don't necessarily represent them. Kuyibona lo nto lo. Hey uGini indawo kwayisukela ingane zabantu nalama identity akanga exist. Amtshela uRamusipile uthi hey please ngicela ningeke mina ngalamangeni. This is irrelevant. Ingena phi le nto enishoyo? Uze wahleka uratha because we going back and forth between these two now. Attorney Ramusipile, uSipho kanye no advocate uGeorge Baloyi. Irrelevant. Like honestly, enzi guys masubala kahle into ezu3 before we close. So abalelwa into ezintathu uNtanzi kwathiwa uNtanzi une gold tooth. Wonke ama identity kuvele kuthiwa uyena. Uthi uNtanzi wafostwa indaba kaMjiya. Kwa uNtanzi hayi kwahlupheka bandla. Cela ukuvala ngalelo guys. Today sizoqedelela futhi kusasa maybe qhubeke court. Thank you so much guys for your support. Nginthanda over. Guys, I just wanted to add ukuthi kodwa niyambona ngempela ukuthi uBrigadier Ginini ufuna uxabana no Ramusipile. Khona manje uthi it's the state's narrative ukuthi everything that I've said here now it does ney'thombe zonke nama-identikhithi, it does prove ukuthi u-accused number 2 lo baba lo uyasukelana yazi guys.